Now, when we talk about the pedagogical knowledge of the subject, it is very much required that teachers should be updated always. And it was found initially that many teachers in terms of geography, science, and maths, they were having certain problems in terms of concepts. And when we talk about NEP, it says that it should be the concept, teaching should be conceptualized. It won't be like rote learning as before. So understanding the concept is very much required. Teachers started reading new books. They also downloaded few videos, new concepts from the online mode. They used the online apps which were available as they were trained initially. And also the learning outcomes which had been distributed by the Samagra Shiksha, they were given to the teachers. From the learning outcome, they understood the difference between the learning outcome and the objectives of the particular subject. And based on the workshop, they got the ideas how to disseminate the knowledge or how to transfer the knowledge from them to the understanding level of the students. So they came up with different conceptualized teaching material, and based on that they made the TLMs also. And in the same way, initially, like, I brought some extra speakers from other schools, especially those teachers who are engaged in board work, for example paper setting or paper correction. I called them in the subjects like maths, science, English, social science and all, not only for the students to be trained but also the teachers, so that the teacher in turn teach the students. So what they did was that teachers came here, they first spoke with the students how to develop the students, how to prepare themselves for the board exam, especially the MCQ part, because now the age is of MCQ or objective type. Because what happens is that now most are like competitive based exams, and the skill oriented and the aptitude type exams are being conducted, wherein aptitude knowledge is being tested. So at SSC level, if they get some hands-on skill in terms of preparation for that exam, it will be very helpful in future. So the expert speakers also spoke with the teachers how to develop the knowledge in terms of that particular subject. So this also helped them. Then at the super school level, we organized special subject workshops for the teachers, and I also told my teachers to attend online trainings which were given by Chocolate, Nishta. Then they also answer the quiz which are coming on the Mindsword, Zee Litera Mindsword quiz, wherein their knowledge could be brushed. And in this way, it helped me to develop that particular domain, that is subject pedagogical knowledge of teaching. And because of that, from level 1 we got it as level 2. So the outcome was really good, what I have seen among my student, because for board exam also we got the good marks. But the thing is that initially students used to like only PE or SS period, but now they are very much keen interested in attending also the maths, science topics and all, because recently I have seen that the projects which are undertaken by Goa Science and Technology Department, most of the students take part in that. It is because now the concept is been very much thoroughly understood by them, and they know what is their duty in terms of the understanding level, how to use that knowledge what is been given to them by the teachers. And now they are very much interested in terms of attending science, sociology and math subject also. So the impact was really very good.